Assalamu alaikum. Are you struggling to track your meta ad performance across different domains? When your funnel spans multiple sites, standard browser tracking often loses the connection, leading to inaccurate data. This means Meta can't optimize your traffic correctly, wasting your ad budget on the wrong audiences. Alhamdulillah, there is a way to fix this. I am MD Nyamul and I specialize in high precision tracking. The solution is Meta Conversion API or CAPI implemented via server-side tracking. With over 5 years of experience and 1500 successful projects, I engineer data precision. Using Google Tag Manager and deep integrations with platforms like Odoo and GA4, I set up a seamless bridge that tracks the full flow across all your domains. This server-side approach bypasses iOS restrictions and ad blockers for 99% accuracy. We start with a complete technical audit of your current funnel and tracking tags. Then I map your custom website events to ensure every click and conversion is captured. Next is the implementation phase where I build the server-side container and CAPI gateway. I ensure your Odoo backend communicates perfectly with Meta servers for real-time tracking. Finally, we move to quality assurance to verify that the data is clean and consistent. I use advanced tools to cross-check event deduplication and match quality scores. The benefits are clear. First, Meta can now optimize your campaigns based on real, complete data. This allows you to scale your ad spend with confidence, knowing your attribution is correct. Second, you are future-proofing your business against upcoming browser data changes. I turn messy, fragmented data into clear, actionable insights for your marketing team. My goal is always to provide a highly structured, polished, and professional service. You will receive full technical documentation and a Loom walkthrough of your new setup. I handle the technical complexity so you can focus on growing your business. No matter how complex your funnel is, we can make it work across all domains. Rest assured, your tracking will be as sharp and accurate as your vision for your brand. From Odoo to custom web developments, I ensure everything is perfectly synced. Remember, measure correctly, optimize effectively, and scale your success. If you need help setting up your Meta Conversion API or fixing cross-domain tracking, please message me on WhatsApp or book a consultation via my website. You can find all my contact information in the video description and the pinned comment below. Thank you for watching. Alhamdulillah, I look forward to working with you. Assalamu alaikum.